What is the ratio of half and half to heavy whipping cream when using it in a recipe?
Welcome to our deep dive into the world of cream. Today, we're discussing a question that often pops up in the kitchen. What is the ratio of half and half to heavy whipping cream when using it in a recipe? This is an important question because the right balance can make your dish shine, while a misstep can affect texture and taste.
What are half and heavy whipping cream?
Before getting into ratios, it's important to understand what these ingredients are. Half and half is a dairy product that is half whole milk, half cream. It has a fat content between 10.5% and 18%, making it lighter than heavy cream but richer than milk. On the other hand, heavy whipping cream, also known as heavy cream, has a fat content of about 36% to 40%. This high fat content gives it a rich, creamy taste and allows it to be whipped into a fluffy consistency, something you can't achieve with half and half.
What's the ratio of half and half to heavy whipping cream in recipes?
Now to the heart of the matter. The ratio of half and half to heavy cream depends on the recipe. There isn't a standard ratio because different dishes require different levels of creaminess, richness, and texture. For example, if a recipe calls for heavy cream and you want to lighten it up, you can substitute half of the heavy cream with half and half. This would make the ratio 1:1. However, keep in mind that this will reduce the overall creaminess and richness of your dish. If you're making a sauce, soup, or a custard that requires a lot of cream, and you're using a combination of half and heavy cream, a good starting point would be a 2:1 ratio, 2 parts half and half, 1 part heavy cream. This gives a balance between the creaminess of the heavy cream and the lighter texture of half and half.
What happens if you alter the ratio?
Let's consider a scenario where you change the ratio. If you use more heavy cream, your dish will have a richer flavor and thicker texture. This could be desirable in some recipes like a thick, creamy soup or a rich dessert. However, using more half and half will result in a lighter, less fatty dish. This might be better for dishes where you want the creaminess, but not the heaviness, like a light pasta sauce or a delicate custard. To conclude, the ratio of half and half to heavy cream in a recipe depends largely on the dish you're making and your desired outcome. Whether you want a lighter flavor with less fat or a rich, creamy texture will guide your ratio decision. Experimentation is key. Happy cooking!